How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, my people? I hope that you're doing fine. So you're Master Calvin here, Eldorado Facts, as usual, trying to do the best analysis possible. And I'm not gonna say much, so we say, but today, yes, I'm going to check Dixie. I haven't checked this for a while now. The last time I marked up, well, it was long ago, but I'm just gonna go over a few things because if the case is that Dixie will basically bounce from this support level, monthly support, then we're gonna see probably gold dropping tomorrow. Okay, but at the moment, I see that Dixie has been in a big consolidation for months. If we see that here, that interaction of the price within the market. So guys, before anything, remember that we are sponsored by Vantage FX, PU Prime. We have our Telegram community, our Signal group, everything. If you want to join us, just join us in this journey. So uh, just gonna say once again that Dixie, let's go to Dixie. And we see that consolidation area. It has been a nightmare. And taking this into account, I haven't taken Dixie into account to trade for a long, long time. And I believe if the people is right, I don't believe 100% that they really correlate, but many people say that they do, gold and Dixie. But for now, we see the price action on Dixie, since basically we have a drop from the all-time high of Dixie, and then after that drop, the price has been unable to go back up to the all-time high on Dixie. But we have seen that for more than basically a year, yeah, almost 2 years, Dixie has been moving within this area, which is an area of how many pips. Let's take it from the lowest point to the highest point. So yeah, it's a big area right here. So it's 700 pips area. Actually, it's not really that massive. But we see that and gold, in the other hand, has been moving a lot more. So, but if the case is that Dixie is gonna go up from here, so the dollar is gonna get stronger, then we probably see gold dropping a bit. That's if the case is that gold correlate with Dixie, which, as I say, I don't believe that, but just to give you some insight, the people like to look into those things, but let's see. Now let's go to straight to IC markets. So we saw that on IC markets, I gave this analysis about gold going up. It didn't went to the point of interest, and it's still flying day by day, creating new highs, and we don't know where it's going to stop because the previous high was this one. So now, let's see what we can find. So let's go back to ACAP, where yesterday we did our analysis and 4 hours. And then going into this and seeing that the price, what it's doing, we just gonna try to find basically an entry in 4 hours straight away. Remember, the target is 2,650, the extension is 3,000. So that's what we're looking for gold. And also understand something that we got a lot of news, red folders. Tomorrow we got red folders as well. And Wednesday, gonna be more quiet. But then on Thursday, we have a lot of news, guys. So meaning that we can also have, you see that consolidation that we have today. So if we mark up our charts on the consolidation area, we basically can try to find an entry for tomorrow. The only thing I'm waiting for gold is to retrace and buy, nothing else. Sells, you can scout, but this is what I'm expecting from gold. Okay, and going into our trade idea, one moment. where is yesterday trade idea? Yes, at the top here. This was our trade idea that didn't play out yesterday, but we're gonna go to a new trade idea to see if we can get an entry. So this is yesterday one. So let's do today's one, taking into account the price action. And we see the consolidation at the moment that is between the all-time high and also this area right here between 2,614 and 2,630, 483, which is the all-time high. So once again, the trade idea will be this one. So expecting the price to retrace a bit more, hit this area and go back up. Okay, this is more or less what I'm going to be expecting, and the entry I might take if we get this area taken. Price get to our area. Let's have a look. Remember that 3,000 is the big target, but for now, because there's a lot of news coming out, and also there is a lot of problems and talking about geopolitical situation and Middle East. Is a lot of bombarding and there's a lot of things going on over there. So we need to be careful with those as well. And as a result, I believe that gold can keep pumping once again. So we're gonna have this SL right here, and and this would be the entry that I'm thinking of. So it will be 2,618. That would be the price. I would like to see the retracement. 2,618, that's the entry price, and the profit level 2,680. That would be as first, but remember that 3,000 is the main target once again. And then the SL that we're gonna have as usual is just the the 60 pips that I like to have, 2,612. That's the SL for this setup. Okay, so I'm gonna try it here and I'm gonna change the color. Remember, we also have this setup you can take into account as well if we will see confirmation. So we're gonna start looking for confirmation between one moment. So second buy setup or second buy idea, second buy idea. So what we're gonna do is check for confirmations. Gonna check for confirmations between 2,621 between 2,621 to 2,614. All right. That would be the area to check for confirmations. Once again, we know that we can go probably into a deeper retracement, but for now we focus on buys. I gave the zones yesterday. You can go to yesterday forecast to see those zones. This is only a setup idea that I'm giving. So entry idea will be 2,618, and then target OTP 2,680, SL 2,612, extension target or standard target 2,600, sorry, 3,000. That would be the standard target, 3K. Okay, so let's change the colors so we don't get confused in the background. And we're gonna put this color as orange. Yeah, that's okay. So yeah, this is the trade idea. So let's call this basically the one from yesterday that I gave out will be the setup 1, and then we have the setup 2 for buys. So again, both of them check for confirmation, please, because as you know, the market is dynamic, it can change anytime, so we want to be aware of that. Okay, now moving on, going to US30 as usual. US30, as we can see, not really much movement. Once again, it didn't hit the buying area, but for now, we're gonna just clean up because it's been botting up, as you can see, since we forecasted time ago. But we're gonna take this out, this one out, the one below here, and the lower ones. And once again, I think the buying area is still the same, guys. So check for buys between this area 2000. Sorry, not 2000. Give me a moment, and then we basically check for buys confirmations from 41,888 to 4172. Okay, 41,072 is to check for confirmations. As we saw yesterday, as I described it, the highs they've been clear, so meaning we could probably have a retracement from here, and then probably find an entry around this area and keep pushing up. Okay, always check for confirmation. Two areas that you can buy from. This is the other one, 41,587 to 41,483. So as I say, guys, not much to say. We're waiting just for the retracement to buy. Today I didn't get engaged in the market myself. It was like a day for scalping, to be honest. Up and down, up and down. But it was also good for our Signal group. Very good. So if you want to keep receiving more updates regarding our analysis and everything that we do, hit the bell on YouTube and subscribe. Okay? Anyways, good night, take care, and see you in the next analysis. Bye.